The Bogan 830, it is a 43.5-ton timber handling machine with a maximum reach of 14 meters. Due to its reinforced chassis, all-wheel drive, and 4-point outriggers, it is well suited for towing big trailers across rugged terrain. It features 4 pneumatic tires for increased traction on uneven terrain. The maximum towing capacity of this machine is 80 tons. It can operate with a 14-meter radius for loading and stacking. The Bogan 830 is powered by a 168-kilowatt Stage 5 diesel engine. Additionally, it is equipped with optimum power transmission, cutting-edge exhaust filtration systems, and extended hydraulic valves that make it efficient and environmentally friendly. Next, we have the 880 EQ. It is a material handler that is perfect for the challenging work of unloading ships of scrap, bulk cargo, and other cargo. The directly linked counterweight properly balances equipment in every work position. The machine only needs a small amount of energy to run, even when it has an extended operating range and carries a lot of weight. The operator enjoys his work from the comfortable, air-conditioned cab, where he can steer with a responsive joystick and see the entire work area. It is economical because it has a powerful 430 kilowatt electric engine that doesn't make any noise or put out any pollution, and is always ready to work without stopping to refuel. Up next, we have the 85G from Uniforest. It is a forestry winch with an 8,500 pound pulling capacity that ensures safe operation. The winch is mounted closer to the tractor, and the pulley is mounted lower, which brings the winch's center of gravity closer to the ground and increases its stability. So there is less chance of the tractor being lifted. A 3-stage piston pump is included for greater service life. The extra-large capacity of the drum allows more wire rope to be coiled. Large storage compartments are located on the front of the winch so that the dirt from the tractor's wheels does not get between the chain and other equipment. A hydraulically hinged butt plate is also included in order to assist the movement and stacking of logs. Up next, we have the Menson 300. This is the world's largest material handling machine that, despite its huge size, is agile, precise, and easy to control. In one cycle, it can lift 19.6 tons of salt. A wide range of attachments have been designed for it, including various straight or curved booms and sticks. It is also used to handle ship containers. For instance, it can deal with the stacking of a fully loaded 40-foot container 72 feet away without changing its position. The machine has state-of-the-art hydraulics that ensure the fastest work cycle and the best productivity in its class. Moreover, an energy recovery system called HybriLift has been developed for it, which ensures enhanced energy efficiency by 50%. It is able to operate a full 360-degree sector with a full load. Next, we have the GIAX X6D. This machine is perhaps the smallest hydraulic piling rig in the world. It is designed to work in extremely tight spaces, where the standard piling rig cannot be deployed. It can fit in a 1 meter width and 2.6 meter height. It has almost all the features of larger rigs, such as a depth meter, spin-off speed, auxiliary winch, and winch limit switches. It comes standard with a hydraulic cylinder and a Kelly bar that locks together to provide the force needed to break through harder soils. Moreover, its vertical digging system ensures that the blade, the hydraulic cylinder, and the machine remain vertical throughout the operation. Next, we have the ECOT T Winch 10.2 from Uniforest. It is utilized in forestry applications. Its crawler tracks and radio control make it simple to reach the working point, while the blade installed in the machine's front gives extra stability in rugged terrain. It can be used to deploy wood handlers from the steepest point securely. An auxiliary traction cable winch may therefore sustain the full braking and traction force of the wood harvesting equipment at any moment in the slope transition region. Severe soil damage caused by slip values of more than 20% can be minimized, making the methodical creation of skid paths easier. The T8600 Badger Breaker is up next. This equipment is ideal for crack and seed, which is a low-cost method applied on road slabs to reduce the occurrence and severity of reflection cracks in the overlay. Cracking is done to reduce the effective length of concrete slabs, whereas seeding restores support between the subbase and the slabs. The hammer only strikes the region underneath, allowing it to be deployed near the side barricades and open roads. It can handle 8 to 12-inch thick slabs and can rubblize a 13-foot wide road in a single pass. Next, we have the Stone Picker from Stoneless. This stone collector is compatible with UTVs or ATVs. It has a separate hydraulic system powered by a 5.5 horsepower Honda engine. A small joystick linked to the associated vehicle controls the stone collector unit. Strong teeth can be pressed 15 centimeters into the ground, and a half-meter diameter stone can be forced from tough clay soil. This little machine provides great flexibility on the farm and requires only one person to do the job. The mobile chipper from Brux is up next. It can process full-length trees and logs with a diameter of 50 centimeters for softwood and a maximum diameter of 40 centimeters for hardwood and brushwood. Thanks to its lightweight and compact design, it is easy to transport this machine via trucks, trailers, or hook lift frames. The chipper features an advanced mobile chipping control system that ensures effective chipping operations. Also, it can be outfitted with a variety of attachments to suit various installations. Homer is a family-owned business that specializes in land and tree clearance. The company employs cutting-edge equipment such as the 648, which is a four-wheel drive rubber tire grapple skidder. It is great for traversing longer distances rapidly over rough terrain and can bundle and move logs and brush to predetermined chipping sites using a hydraulic claw attachment. Homer also owns the Moorbark 5048. This chipper is capable of chipping trees with a diameter of up to 40 inches. The company fleet deploys 4 skidders with 1 chipper for fast land-size operations. Next, we have the SID3 Fraction Vibrating Screen. This equipment was designed to filter materials that are used in construction. It has 2 layers of screens, with the top screen measuring 45 by 45 mm and the bottom screen measuring 15 by 15 mm. The screens are coated with protective anti-corrosion painting, using the shot blast technique, making them highly resistant to abrasive materials, chemical agents, and heat. These screens can also be easily replaced. The turnbuckles on the machine are for its safe transportation. With a 1.5 kilowatt electric motor and a 2.7 square meter sieve surface, this machine can process a lot of material quickly and efficiently. Oncore Pavement is an asphalt paving contractor headquartered in Wichita, Kansas. The company offers SAS seal coating processes for the renovation of asphalt pavement. First, the vegetation is removed from the asphalt's borders and cracks in order for the new coating to adhere perfectly. Then the company uses its state-of-the-art equipment to seal the cracks. The seal coating is then meticulously done by hand around all of the edges. This requires expertise to make neat edges and clean, crisp lines. Before putting the seal coat, the wind direction, velocity, and departure energy are evaluated for oversized parking lots. Once the first coat is dried, a second coat is applied to enhance the thickness and durability of the seal coat. Next, we have the Manito MHT-X 14350. With a lifting capability of 35 tons, it is the world's largest telehandler. It has a 350 horsepower engine and can carry loads up to 14 meters in length. It can readily handle all sorts of terrain with 4-wheel drive and steering, and it comes with a frame leveling system and outriggers that can raise offset to 21 tons to provide optimal safety on wheels. The cabin's elevated posture is complemented by cameras, which provide a greater view of the area. The continuous transmission optimizes engine power from 0 to 25 kilometers an hour. All maneuvers can be performed smoothly, with 360-degree continuous turret rotation, resulting in improved precision and productivity. Up next, we have the Woodcracker W1000. Westech made this attachment tool for splitting thick logs. It is made of high-strength hard-ox steel and has an endless rotating rotator. For flexible use, 2 drive engines are optionally available. It incorporates auto-speed technology, which enables a greater splitting capacity. The roller system decreases the force exerted by reducing the frictional resistance. The splittable diameter is determined by the largest end piece, not the opening width. It supplies chippers with a convenient supply of pre-split material. It can be used in all harvesting and processing methods of hardwood. Next, we have the Woodcracker CS750. This attachment tool was designed to safely remove trees in several parts. The saw unit includes a swinging chassis with active suspension that can be angled to minimize the bending of the saw bar under high force effects. The tiltator is capable of 360-degree rotation. The automated chain tensioner maintains the chain tension no matter how long the machine is in operation. It is ideal for road maintenance or removing problematic trees in urban residential areas. It can be mounted to telescopic handles. Furthermore, it has a variety of mounting options for different carrier vehicles. Up next, we have the Cut MCS40. This modular machine was designed for use by firewood producers. Its multi-blade saw slices logs in a single pass, maintaining a steady output rate regardless of the log's length. From drive type to feed deck, this machine is compatible with a range of additional components. It has a capacity of 10 cords per hour. Different cutting lengths can be set in under 30 seconds. The entry rollers automatically halt the loaded log, allowing for a maximum feeding rate. It is possible to automatically cut out to 40-inch logs with this machine. The pusher cleats then transports the logs to the circular saw, where they are shaped. Last but not least, we have the Roto 50.35S. Merlo, a well-known Italian manufacturer, created this telehandler. It has a max load capacity of 4,400 pounds. 3 solid steel rings protect the turret and chassis, and the turret can revolve 360 degrees. The stablers can be controlled manually or automatically. The load can be lifted to a height of 96 feet and 4 inches using the telescoping boom, which is 83 feet long. It has a 4-cylinder 170 horsepower engine and a hydrostatic gearbox. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.